Tascam 44. This one is in need of either a capstan motor or the circuit board that runs the capstan motor. You need a pinch roller rubber. So having said that, it doesn't obviously play, obviously. Clean piece, not mint. A few marks here, may polish out or touch in. Fast forward. Worth restoring. These are a fantastic quadraphonic deck. No doubt about that. Now the brakes are good. Two speed, 7.5 IPS and 15. Let's see if the counter works there. Yeah, counter's working. Rewind. These are a professional deck. These weren't sold to the public. These were for studios back in the day. Not just for quadraphonic tapes, but for people wanting to record. They had a four-track tape deck. Back a bit here. Pinch roller rubbers are easy to come by. They're the same as the TAC X7, exactly the same. Another model, maybe the X10. Pinch roller rubber on the piece. And the heads on this have hardly been used. The guy I acquired this from had several, and rarely ever used it, as you can tell. Cosmetically it's nice, apart from the few marks on the front. It was rack mounted. No rack mounts with this. You can always make your own side panels, no big deal. Go to Home Depot, buy some wood. I've done it, it's an easy job. Yep, clean piece. That's being sold as is, parts to restore. Either sort out the capstan motor, buy another one, or most can be fixed. A good technician will fix that, find out what's wrong with it. So no other testing done. Obviously I can't play it, so I can't tell if record works, but it's a low hours tape deck, no doubt about that. Just by looking at the heads, and there's a picture of the heads. That's a good indication as to the life of a reel-to-reel tape deck. There you go. No tape on there, so yeah. There you have it. Tascam 44.